Hello student, today we will discuss about differentiation between machine and machine tool. Here you can learn what is the basic difference between a machine and a machine tool. Firstly, you should know what is machine. A machine is anything that can reduce human effort is called as machine. But in the field of mechanical engineering, machine is a mechanism or a assembly of mechanism that can perform certain operations to reduce human effort by utilizing electrical, mechanical, hydraulic or pneumatic power. The term machine includes a wide range of varieties of machineries. It may be a fan, it may be an elevator, it may be a dozer, it may be a hand drill, it may be a crane, or it may be a pulley. All these are called as machines. However, machine tool is not exactly the same with the machine. Machine tools must have some special characteristics. Number one, machine tool must be power driven. Any machine that is human operated is not called as machine tool. The second is machine tool must be non-portable irrespective of its size. Any machine that is portable is not machine tool. Here you can see a hand drill machine, and you can also see a pillar drill machine. The pillar drill machine is firmly installed with the ground. So in respect of this condition, a pillar drill machine is called as a machine tool. But the hand drill machine, it is portable, so it is not machine tool. Number third, machine tool should utilize a cutting tool to remove the excess material from the workpiece. Number 4, machine tool should be able to perform more than one type of machining operation or one type of cutting operations. Cutting operations means, example, they are turning or thread cutting or facing or drilling or boring. All these are called as cutting operations or machining operation. If we consider about a lathe machine, it may be called as a machine tool. If you ask why it is called as a machine tool, not a machine, if we consider about lathe machine, we can see lathe machine is a power driven, it is non-portable. Lathe machine use a cutting tool to remove excess materials. Lathe machine can perform more than one cutting operations like turning, taper turning, thread cutting, facing, etc. So you can call lathe machine as a machine tool. You can call a shaper machine as a machine tool. You can call planing machine as a machine tool. So you can understand that all the machine tools are basically a machine, but all machines are not machine tool. I can mention that the term machine tool is actually suitable for the metal cutting operations, metal cutting field only. If the above all conditions are satisfied, then only a machine can be called as a machine tool. So I think now you can all understand what is the basic difference between a machine and a machine tool. Okay, thank you.